This literature kit on The Good Earth by Pearl S. Buck acts as a great supplement to the novel in order to help students comprehend it deeper. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Set the tone by brainstorming the traditional ways people celebrate the birth of babies. Analyze the actions of Wang Lung's uncle to describe his true character. Identify what is being described from the metaphors and similes in the text. Understand key vocabulary words prior to reading with fill-in-the-blank paragraphs. Research the meaning of each form of literary irony, then identify the type of irony used in the novel. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as writing a sensory poem to express the many representations of the land to Wang Lung. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Complete a Wheel of Fortune graphic organizer with events that take place in each season throughout the novel. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.